Okay, guys, let's get started. So, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Kashif. I am from India, Mumbai. I have somewhere around 14 years of practical IT experience. I am a BSc IT graduate. I did graduation from Mumbai University, and later on, I started working in IT field, wherein I worked on various technologies, but SCCM have been my primary focus. So I started working on SCCM level 1, level 2, level 3. Now I'm working as a architect, wherein I deploy and um, implement technologies for organizations. So I have been in this training field for the past almost 10 years now, wherein I have trained more than 30,000 students globally. Okay, guys. So that's about me. Now we are going to discuss about Microsoft Intune today. So I hope you guys can see my screen, right?
Yes, Kashi.
Microsoft Intune, it's a Microsoft product. When this product came into this market in the year 2010, what is the purpose of this product? So basically, this product does MDM, mobile device management, mobile application management. So you can manage mobile devices, you can manage mobile applications. Mobile means not just mobile, you can manage Windows 10, Windows 11 devices as well. So what all devices you can manage? You can manage Android, you can manage iOS devices, right? You can manage Mac operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11, and Linux boxes. Now all these devices you can control through Intune. So you need to enroll these devices into Intune. So you have to enroll these devices into Intune, and from Intune you can manage these devices, you can control these devices, you can deploy policies, you can deploy applications, you can deploy configuration profile, you can deploy compliance policies. There are various things which you can do to these devices through Intune. Similarly, you can manage mobile applications. For example, uh, Office 365 application and various other application you can manage through mobile application management feature, which is there in Intune. Now, why do we need to manage devices? Suppose you join a company. For example, this is an organization called ABC uh, Private Limited. So you join this organization. Okay. Now this organization will give you some um, equipments. For example, they will give you a laptop. They will also give you a mobile phone, let's say Android device. Why will they give you the devices? So that you can access company data on these equipments. So you can access company resources. So corporate data, basically here we have corporate data on this laptop. Similarly, corporate data on this mobile. So you are accessing company corporate data, for example, emails. You are accessing um, some uh, documents, some internal websites, some internal applications on these equipments. So the organization would like to protect the data. Okay, they would like to protect the data. So protection is needed. Similarly, we need to protect the devices so that the data will should not go into the wrong hands. Suppose you lost your this you lost your laptop. What will happen to the data? It might get compromised, right? If you lost your Android device. So what we will do, we can remotely wipe the data from Intune portal. So all the data which are there in this laptop or mobile phone, it will get erased, right? It will get deleted. Similarly, I don't want you to share the data with anyone. For example, you restrict your user not to share the data with anyone, company data. You want to block unauthorized access. If user is, you know, if somebody is unauthorized, he will not be able to access the company resources. All those policies we will create around the devices so that the data will be secured and it is protected so that it will not go into the wrong hands, guys. So we will be able to manage Android, iOS, Mac, Windows 10 and Windows 11 and Linux boxes. Now, what about Windows servers? Windows server, Linux server. Who will manage these boxes, guys? Hmm? Any idea?
SCCM.
Yeah, SCCM will be able to manage Windows server. For Linux, we have another management tool, but for Windows Server, SCCM will still be there in the market. So people are little confused that after Intune, SCCM will get uh, decommissioned by Microsoft. It's not the right statement. SCCM will still be there in the market. Microsoft would like to sell both the products. So for client management, they would like to sell Intune, and for server management, uh, they are selling SCCM. So if you have SCCM, you will be able to manage Windows Server. And if you have Intune, then you can manage other client operating system. Okay. Now, Intune is getting implemented in almost all big size and medium size organization. Wherever you go, you will find Intune. That's the reason you have good number of vacancies. Okay. You have good number of vacancies. You have good salary as well. So people who are there in US or Canada or Australia, European countries, you can expect a salary of $50 USD per hour. Okay. Those who are in India, you can expect a salary of 800,000 Indian rupees per year. Average salary. These are average salary. You might be getting more than this or less than this. Okay. But the average salary is good.
Yes, I just want to let you know right now the job market in IT in USA is very bad.
Right now. Okay. But
Seriously.
but if you compare with other technologies, uh, for example, SCCM market, SCCM market is down already. Okay. Or if you compare with Office 365 market, that is also down. Okay. But Intune is in demand little bit. Why? Because most of the organization are implementing Intune in their organization. That's the reason you have comparatively more vacancies than other technologies. Okay.
Why would be the reason why the Office 365 is market is down? I mean, for SCCM, we might say because Intune is coming in and it's only now left to manage servers.
Office 365 is like, um, is little old technology now. I mean, previously we used to have Microsoft Exchange server, in-house Exchange servers that was handling the emails of the employees, right? Now most of the organizations are already using Office 365. So implementation part is already done, wherein Intune is getting implemented already, and it is continuously people are moving towards Intune from SCCM. That's the reason you have more vacancies for Intune. Understood?
Yes.
Now, the next thing is after this course, if you are planning to take exam, you need to take this MD 102. Okay, that is from Microsoft. You have to score 700 minimum to pass the exam, 70%. Then only you will be certified. Enterprise Administrator Associate. Okay. So I will guide you how to take this exam after the training. Now, so Intune is basically a device management and mobile application management solution, which will help you to manage your organization devices and applications. Now, the Intune is designed by Microsoft. It's a SaaS product. SaaS means software as a service, just like Gmail, right? You don't have to design anything. It's all designed by Microsoft. You just have to create your Intune subscription and then you will start working on that one. But it's not free. You will have to take license. So suppose your organization have has 10,000 users. So we need to have enough license. So we need to take 10,000 license so that they will be able to enroll their devices. So we need to take license for Intune. So license cost is somewhere around $8 per user per month. Okay, $8 per user per month. That's the license cost. Now for our lab, because I would like to take you through the theory plus practical session. So we have to set up our lab. How do we set up our lab? On our laptop. You need to have personal laptop or personal computer basically. I will recommend if you have Windows computer, Windows either 10 or 11, anything of your choice. If you have Mac operating system, that's also okay, but if you have Windows, that will be better. Now, you need to have minimum 6 GB RAM. 64 core processor and 100 GB free disk space. Okay. Anyone who do not have this configuration, let me know. Each one of you have personal computer.
Yes.
Yes, Kashif.
Yes.
Yes, Kashif.
Yeah.
Windows 10.
Yeah.
Yes. Windows
Minimum
11.
6 GB RAM. How will you find out the configuration? Suppose if you don't know how to find out configuration, you search system information on your computer, and you will be able to get the information. Let me connect my charger, guys. I missed to connect it. Wait a minute. Yes, I'm back. Sorry. Okay, so um, did you guys check the system information? So you see the operating system name. Operating system, either it is Windows 10 or Windows 11, anything will work. The processor, I got 8 logical processors, so minimum 4 logical process is required. Um, and then the installed physical memory. So I have 32 GB RAM. You need to have minimum 6 GB RAM. Okay. So that is how you check the system information. Plus you need 100 GB free disk space, either in C drive or D drive or any drive which you have. So let me show you. You need to open folder and then this PC. So you see I have 2 drives, C and D. So in C drive I got 13.5 gigabyte free space, whereas in D drive it is 179 gigabyte free space. Is that clear, everyone? Hmm? Any question?
Kashif, I have 80 GB. Is that fine?
80 gigabyte?
Please. Yeah. Please, please.
That is okay, but if you can move some of the things to your USB drive, if you can, that will be better. Otherwise, you can go with 80 gigabyte as well.
Okay, I'll check for it. Thank you.
So anyone who do not have this minimum configuration, hmm, no one. Okay, good. Also, we need you need to have credit card to create your Intune subscription. Previously, Microsoft um, did not add this requirement. The credit card requirement was not there, but now you all need to have a credit card to create your Intune subscription.
Hi Kashif, Akshay here. And actually,
Yes,
I already use I have one credit card, and I already use that credit card for earlier subscriptions. So is it possible to use that same credit card, or I will require another new one?
I think it will not allow you to use the same credit card, but you can try. If that does not work, then you will have to use a new credit card.
Is it possible, or is it possible to use a debit card or only credit card?
Uh, some debit card works, but not all of them. Okay. Mm, But if you have credit card, then it will definitely work. So try with credit card if you have. Okay. Okay, guys. Any question in this one?
Any alternate way apart from credit card? Suppose I have only one credit card. That's why I'm asking.
You can try using the same credit card to create a new account. Okay. If that does not work, then you will have to use a new credit card or debit card. Okay. Clear?
Okay, okay, sure. Yeah, yeah.
Now,
Kashif, I
how will
heard that
you?
if
Yes.
you're using different PAN card also, it used to work, but I'm not sure. My friend told it. Is that going to work or it has to be now it's got changed or something?
Have you already created your Intune account before?
Yeah, once I created it, I'm not sure it works.
PAN is okay, but it verifies the credit card, not the PAN number.
Okay,
Okay. You can enter
okay,
any PAN number.
okay.
So, how do you create your Intune account? So, you need to go to google.com, and in Google you need to type in Intune free trial. Okay, Intune free trial. So when you go to Intune free trial, then you have this Microsoft try Microsoft Intune for free. Okay, that gives you 30 days free trial. Okay. Now when you come to this page which says try Microsoft Intune for free, you need to scroll down a little bit, and then choose this the link Intune setup account page. Okay, Intune setup account page. So it is going to give you 25 license. Okay, 25 license, 1 month free trial. And this trial is going to work as paid version. Okay, you will not have any limited feature on that one. So whatever the features you get in the paid one, you are going to get the same feature in the trial one. Okay, here you need to type in your email address, then you need to go next, put in your details, right? And it will ask you for your name, first name, last name, and then let me put any email address here. I'm going to type in kashif@kashif.com and next. Okay, so it looks like you need to create a new account. Let's get you started and set up account. Now, this is the form which you need to fill. So you need to type in your first name, last name, job title, IT analyst, business phone number. You have to type in the correct phone number because it's gonna send one message on your mobile to verify your number. Company, for example, Intune, and then company size. You can take any size of your choice. I'm gonna take 5 to 9 people, and your location. You look for your country here, India. Okay, and then I'm gonna go next. When you go next, it's gonna verify your phone number. So send a verification code. Okay. 359 558. Now, the next thing is username. So make sure you choose short username because you see it is giving me my first name and last name together. So I'm going to remove this one and just keep Kashif as my user ID. Now, Intune domain. Domain is what? Domain is like your property. Nobody else will be able to access your domain. So it has to be a unique domain name. So if this is already taken, suppose if you would like to take Intune, just Intune, it will not allow you because somebody might have already taken it. If you click on save, it will say not available. You see, this is not available. So you have to make sure you choose something which is not taken before by anyone. So 391, let's see, save. Yeah, that's available. Anything, just 2 digit after Intune or 3 digit. And here you need to type in the password, anything of your choice. Now, this username and password, you need to open a notepad and type in this username and password. Make a note of it, guys. Each one of you, you have to save this one. Otherwise, if you lose this account, then it will be very hard to get it back. So Kashif is my user ID at Intune 391 dot on Microsoft.com. Make sure you don't make any spelling mistake here. You see Kashif, right? At then Intune 391. So that is what I have mentioned here, Intune 391 dot on Microsoft.com. So Microsoft has given me a domain. What is the domain? It is intune391.onmicrosoft.com. That's the default domain Microsoft has given. Everyone will get a default domain by Microsoft. Okay, so that's my user ID and the password. So for example, I have chosen this password. I will put my password here. Okay, make a note of your username and password, guys, while creating your account. Make sure you save your user ID and password. That is going to be your Intune account. Next, when you go next, it's gonna ask you for a credit card, I think. Okay, so it's asking the address details. So Kashif, so I need to put my address. So let me put the address. Okay, so you have to make sure you give your correct address, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so okay, so I've given my address. Now the phone number and the email address. Okay, so address is given, phone number is given. Let me go save. We need a bit more info from you before you continue. Verify your address. We could not validate your address. Please ensure the address you have entered is correct. Use this address. Now here it is asking the PAN number. Okay, so you have to enter your PAN number. So okay, so now it is asking for the credit card. Here you have to give your credit card details. Okay, like your credit card number, security code, right? Expiration date, name on the card, address, and then you have to click on save. So when you click on save, it will um, validate your credit card. They are not going to charge anything. It is free of cost for 30 days. After 30 days, if you would like to continue, then you will have to start paying to Microsoft. But for 30 days, there is no payment. You don't have to make any payment to Microsoft for 30 days, guys. So here, put your credit card. Okay, so we accept the following cards: Visa. So Visa, if it's a debit card, I think it accepts debit card as well, um, but not all debit cards. Um, Based on my experience, you go with credit card first. In if you don't have credit card, then you try Visa, or the second one is what? Master. I think it's the so either you have Visa
Yes,
or
it's
this one.
Mastercard.
Yeah, so you can try those cards so that you will be able to create your account. Okay, guys, clear? Any question in this one? Hmm?
It's fine. Kashu, do we need to create it right now or like after the session? Do you want us
Create
to
your
create?
account before tomorrow's session.
Okay.
Okay, before
Yeah.
we meet tomorrow, I want everyone to have your account ready. Clear?
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Plus, so today's agenda is you have to, today is 27th August. Point number one, create Intune free trial account. So each one of you, you need to create your Intune account. Point number two is download you need to download Oracle VirtualBox Manager. So I'll show you what you have to download. So download Oracle VirtualBox Windows host. You need to download the Windows one. Copy link address. So download from here. This is the link. I will give it to you guys. Point number three, download Windows 10 Pro ISO image file. Okay, you need to download Windows 10 ISO image file. How will you download? You need to go to Google, and here you need to type in Windows 10 Pro download. Okay, Windows 10 Pro download. So the first link which says Windows 10 disk image, you need to click on that one. Okay, and here we have option to create Windows 10 installation media. So I'll give you the link of this one as well. Point number, this is the link. So you have to go to this link and then choose download now. Okay, so I'm going to click on download now. So the media creation tool is downloaded. Excuse me, guys. Now I am gonna open that file which sorry. So I'm gonna open that file which I downloaded. So that is right here. You see the first one which says media creation tool. And yes, okay, so in the media creation tool, we have to open that one and then click on accept. And then you need to choose this option which says create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD, ISO for another PC. Okay, second option, and then next. Now English, United States, Windows, and x64. Uncheck this box which says use recommended option for this PC. Okay, Windows 10. Rest everything will remain as it is. And then next. Then we have to choose the ISO image file. This one, ISO. Next. Now you need to choose the location. Where will you download it? So I'm gonna put it in the download folder. Okay, so I'll choose the download folder and then click on save. That's it. It will take maximum 10 minutes, depends on your internet speed, to download this from Microsoft portal. Okay, guys, clear?
Yes.
Yeah, Kashyap.
Each one of you, you need to send me your Gmail ID so that I will be able to share the recording with you. You know, every session will get recorded, and after every session, you will get the recorded file so that you can watch the recording online. So you need to send me your Gmail ID, not Yahoo, not Outlook, not any other email. I need Gmail account. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, so I have a group, WhatsApp group. I created WhatsApp group yesterday, and I added some members into the WhatsApp group. Okay, so in that WhatsApp group, send your Gmail ID, guys. And those who are not part of WhatsApp group, let me know. Any question before we wrap it up, guys? Hmm?
So, Kaushik, for Intune trial account, I have a Microsoft developer program. So, would it be fine? That also have Intune licenses.
Yeah, you can take that one. That's not a problem. Okay, guys, anyone has any question before we wrap it up? Okay, so you have to do these steps. Point number 1, create Intune account. Point number 2, download Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Point number 3, download Windows 10. And point number 4 is send your Gmail ID on WhatsApp. Okay,
Okay.
Yeah,
we'll meet
okay.
tomorrow, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye now. Bye,
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
everyone.
Kashyap. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.